Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. First of all, I'm going to have to apologize to you guys because I hadn't done any videos now here in about a week or so because my computer, well, it took a dump on me and I had to put it into the computer hospital and get it worked on, get it fixed up. And anyways, but it took about a week to do that or so, so we're back up and running now here and ready to go. So I've got a good video here for you today. It's a Clickbank video. I mean, you can use Clickbank. It's affiliate marketing. You can use Digistore 24. You can use JVZoo. You can use any affiliate product you want. And in fact, it's important that the more products that you do this with, which I'm going to show you, it's a great method I got here, and the more you do it, the more opportunity that you're going to have to make money with this method. Okay? All right, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. But first of all, for the people that are new to my videos, like I usually like to do, I want to make sure that you feel invited to the family here. Just reach down below your video there anytime during the video that you think about it and you want to. Click the subscribe button and click that little notification bell there so that you get notified of when I upload new videos. And usually I do when my computer's working right, okay? Alrighty, so after do that, I'll do it anytime during the video you feel like it. Reach down there and mash that thumbs up button and give me a like if you would. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm as well. Okay? Alright, thanks guys. Well, let's go ahead and get started on this. Now, the first thing we want to do is come over here to Clickbank. Alright? Now, I've already logged into Clickbank. If you don't have an account at Clickbank, guys, you know I tell you it's free to create one. Just go to clickbank.com. You can see it right there in the address bar. And then come over and you can just sign up for a free account, and when you get your email validated, you can come back, get logged in, and you want to click right here where it says Marketplace right here, and it brings you over here to the Affiliate Marketplace page right here. Now, I have gone in, I'm going to use a health and fitness. I mean, there's a lot of different categories down here, guys, that you can choose from. In fact, you can do this method that I'm going to show you here with any and as many products as you want to do it with. So I just picked on health and fitness here, and it brought up this particular product right here called Keto Resources right here, and you can make about $28.02 per sale right now on this, and it's got a good gravity score of about 53.64 on it, and there's no recurring billing on this particular product. It doesn't look like it was only 1 cent there. That should be zero, I guess. And then they have an affiliate page here, and you can contact the seller. They do have affiliate tools, and it's mobile friendly, which is good. And then, oh, it does have recurring billing here, I guess. I don't know what that would be, but it's showing only 1 cent there. But so it's obviously a recurring. People come back and repurchase or re-sign up on the subscription that is available, since that's highlighted. That would be. Now, it's a physical product, and it's a one-time payment for the physical product on it anyway. So what we want to do is we're going to come back here in a little bit. We're going to get our affiliate link. In the meantime, what we want to do is we want to click on Keto Resources right here. And now I have stepped ahead just a little bit in this. And then what you want to do is you want to click here, and it opens up this page right here. You can see it up here. It's the 28dayketo.com. This product is the 28-day challenge. The keto challenge here and stuff. That's the affiliate page. But yeah, so this is that product right here. It's got a really good sales page here. It's nicely laid out. It's clean. It looks good, and it's so on and so forth, clear down through here. And people come down here, and you can see that they'll purchase it for $37, and that's on sale. You're regularly $79, it says, and you're going to get $28 out of that $37 when they click and they purchase the product. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this page right here, this website, and we're going to make an ebook out of it, or a PDF file, which is an ebook also. Okay, so it's a really cool method here. So what I'm going to do is we want to come over here, and you want to come to this site right here. It's called Web to PDF. You can take any website that you want on the internet and turn it into an ebook. That's really cool. And this is all free. Guys, I want to tell you that this method is 100% free. And this site that we're going to market this on is got incredibly high traffic. And so stick around, and it's all free, okay? So you want to come over here, look up here in the address bar, guys. It's web2pdf.com. And you come over here. Now you can see that I've already done this with this web page right here. I've already brought this. What you want to do is you want to copy this link, the whole link, to the web page, right? And then you're going to bring it over here to web to PDF. Right here will be a thing that you'll paste your link in, like a search box. Paste your link in there and click the button that says convert. Give it a couple of moments, it will convert it and it'll get it ready for you to download. And I've already downloaded this to my computer right now, and you can sort of see what it looks like right here as a PDF. As you look right up here in the address bar, it's Web 28 PDF. It's on my computer right now, and this just kind of looks down here, and this is what happens when it's turned into a really cool looking little ebook that we are going to use. And what we're going to do is we're going to set our link right here on this button that will take them over to this particular page, and then they can read about it, and our affiliate link will be there. Okay, so now how are we going to do that? Now we're going to use one of my favorite sites to do this with. I've used this site many other times in these types of videos, guys, to show you these different methods with Clickbank or Digistore24, doesn't matter, any affiliate product. And we're going to come over here to this site right here. After you get your ebook converted to PDF, then you're going to come over here to this site right here where we're going to edit it. This site is Sejda. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Sejda.com. Sejda.com. You see it right there in the address bar. And in this site, it's free to edit PDF files. It's a free PDF editor. And what we do is, you can see right here, edit a PDF document. It's free. So we want to click right here. And they do have a login and all that kind of thing, but you don't need it. The free one is good enough. And we're going to click right here and upload our PDF file. And it's already in my downloads folder, which is right here, guys. And we'll go ahead and click on that. And it'll upload it here. And you can see it has it uploaded here. And we're going to, as you scroll down, you can see it looks like it's pretty good right here, just like it was. And there it goes. It's going to fill in as we scroll down through here. It's taking it some time to upload it there and get it all filled in here. Okay, so then yeah, it didn't bring up the button for us. It didn't bring up that button. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to make this right here, the Take the Challenge right here, words as our button in our link. So yeah, it didn't put, for some reason it said there was some things, that features that it didn't take, and that button obviously is one of them. But that's okay. We'll take this right here and we will make a link out of that. So we want to click on it, and we'll come up here and click on links right here, and then we're going to click on it, and that should bring this up. Now you can see right here that it's already got something in there, and we're just going to erase that out. Link to external URL. And then we're going to come back to our Clickbank page, guys, and we're going to click on promote for our product right here, right? And if we click on that, that's going to come up. You want to make sure that your account nickname with Clickbank is, or Digistore24, same thing. Make sure that your nickname or your affiliate ID is in here. You can put a tracking ID if you want. That's optional. We're not going to do it here. We're going to click create the hop link, and it gives us our link right here. Now we don't need to shorten it up for this. We just need to copy it as it is right there. All right, then we're going to come back to our editor, and we're going to paste our link right in there, just like that. And then once you get that done, just press enter, and then you can see that now this, as we hover over it, you can see that it has my Clickbank link right there. It's just a, see if I can scroll it up here, and it's right there just above me, the Clickbank link that I just pasted in there. Now you can, if you want to, you can put a link anywhere else throughout here on the page if you want to too, but I'm just going to leave it down there at that bottom, because when they read it and come down and they find out that the take the challenge, when they run their mouse over that, that'll be highlighted, and then they'll be able to click it, and that's going to bring them over. So then once we get that done, what we want to do is you want to come up here, or actually we scroll all up, but we're going to come down here at the bottom of the page here, guys. Once you get, you can put as many links as you want in there. I wouldn't kill it with links, but put one, maybe two, maybe three at the most. And then you want to come down here and click on apply the changes right here, and it's applying the changes, and then it brings it up where we can go on ahead and download it. I mean, I think if we was to scroll down, we should be able to see that our link is live down here on this button. And by golly, it did. It set that as the button right there. That's cool. It just didn't show the color. Now our link is right there in that thing. So if somebody clicks on that, it should, it's going to take them right over, and it does, and our affiliate link is right there. So we'll come back here. And okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to download this edited ebook to our computer, right? So we just click on download right here. And you can see that it's downloading it right up here above my head, guys, right here. Once it's done, then we're going to come over and I'm going to show you this amazing site where we're going to market this, all right? So the site that we're going to do that on, guys, is this one right here. It's called, now I don't laugh at me, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's called Calameo or something, or Calameo or Calameo. Hell, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's right up here in the address bar, guys. It's Calameo, I guess, .com, and I'm on the English version now. Now, guys, this should be able to be done from anywhere in the world. It'll put your country initials before the website address, just like you see the English is right here. Alrighty, and then once you get to this site, now you know this site is free to use. It's free to sign up and free to publish. As you can see, there are all kinds of other ebooks on this site that people upload here all the time, and people can come here and read those books and or download those books. Alrighty, so and it's free to sign up. Now, first of all, again, I told you that there was really high traffic here on this particular site. So let's just take a look here. If I click up here on my similar web, guys, and bring it out here off the right side of my screen, you see we're on Calameo, or however you pronounce the thing. And then if we scroll up, you can see right here, gee whiz, look at the monthly visits here, guys. That's 13.4 million people every month right now are coming to this site to read and find really cool ebooks on whatever it is that they're searching for. Okay, so that's why we're using this site. And if we come up and scroll up, you can see some of the top countries are France, mostly it looks like, Colombia, Mexico, Spain, and then here we go with the United States, guys. So yeah, these are good. This is a good high traffic website, and the nice thing about it is it's free to sign up. Now they do have pricing here, guys. You can see that they have a free one here, and then they have a $14 a month one and a $49 a month one. But all you need for this is the free one, because look, you get 15 gigabytes of storage. That's incredible. You could put up a lot of Clickbank and Digistore affiliate products in ebooks on this site. You're starting to get your wheels turning. You see how you can do this over and over again. So we're going to use the free one. Is all you need, and it's free to sign up, guys. In fact, you can sign up with your Facebook account, you can sign up with your Google account, or your LinkedIn account right here. So I'm just going to go ahead. Now you can put a local account if you want to, and they're probably going to send you an email confirmation. So if you choose this route, go ahead and just make sure that you check your email for the email confirmation. So I'm just going to click sign in over here, and I'm just going to sign in with my Google account, guys. And you see it's got me signed in right here, and they've got, you got some things and stuff that you can hang out with. This is this is sort of like a little bit of a community site. A lot of people, you can see you get subscribers and people to follow you on here. People favorite your stuff and all your different publications and your settings and stuff like that, and then log out here. So what we want to do is, once we get logged in, though, to make this without going through all this, you guys can go through all these and check this site out. And probably, I would say, the more people you get to be familiar with on this site, more chances that'll help you to make money as well with your affiliate products that you're putting up on here. Okay. Now, what we want to do is we want to click on Publish, though, right here. And you see it brings us over here, and it says Selected Documents from your computer. So I'm going to click right here, and it's going to clear. And this is our edited book right here, guys. We're just going to click on that, and it comes up with this. You got different things right here that you can check on, but all we need right here is we're going to change this publication title. Instead of this right here, we're going to change this up and make it type in here, the 28-day keto resource, we'll call it. Okay, and then the folders is just going to be in my folder, which is going to be right here. That's the default on the site here. And then the description, what I'm going to do is we're going to come back here to the version here. Let's see if I'm an affiliate right here, and there's something I've seen right here. I'm going to take this right here. This is the affiliate tools page, guys, that you can access right here from this link here. And I'm going to take this right here, the 28-day keto challenge. We'll change that. will guide users through their first month of the keto diet. Okay, and I'm going to copy that, bring that back over here to Calameo. I'm going to paste that in there. And we're going to change this up here to challenge. And then the 20-day keto challenge is well-crafted meal plans that guides. I'm going to put in here women, because we're the keto diet. We're pointing toward more women than we are men, although men can do this too. And through their first month of keto diet, and never be alone in the process. And we'll just let it go at that. Now, right here, guys, this content reserved for adult only. We don't have to worry about that because this has nothing to do with adult stuff. If you're putting up adult affiliate products, then you want to check that box right there. 18 plus or years old. This right here we don't need to worry about unless you want to save your settings for future publications. And then this stuff right here, you want to make sure that the visibility is set to public, guys, not private. All rights reserved. In other words, you have the right to do this. And the publication was today and from reading mode left to right and auto and so on and so forth. Then all you got to do, guys, just simply click on publish right here. And as you see, it's uploading it there. And it should. And it's still uploading it there. There we go. Now, so if we click on it, so we can view it here, and you can see as it loads it up right here, guys, and then they can just simply click on through it, and it like a book. Do you see that? How it folded just like a book? Look at that. That is really cool. For free on this site, guys, this is really cool. And then you can see that right here is our link on the last book, the last page right here. And if somebody clicks on that, well, you can see it's going to bring them right over here, guys. And they can purchase this product. They'll see the same page, and then they can come down here and purchase the product right here, guys. And we will make money just like that. Guys, that is the method I had for you today. It's a really great method on an incredibly high trafficked website, guys. I mean, it's just out of the world. 13.4 million people. Lots of good traffic on this site, guys. Guys, you just put up as many, you just do more. The more you do, the more ebooks that you post to this site, well, the better the chance is that you're going to have to make a lot of money with any affiliate product that you're using. Guys, if you like this video, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me. And once again, I apologize for my computer breaking down here over the last week, but hey, we're back in the ball game now here. And so thanks for watching this. Also, if you have any comments or anything, just leave them down there below in the comment section. I'll get back with you on that. And also, make sure that you click that subscribe button and click the notification bell. And if you want to learn how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, I have a free video presentation. Reach down there in the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch my free video presentation. It'll show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer making, well, thousands of dollars per day. Possibility. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so. Assuming my computer doesn't break down again, right? You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.